So this is the installation video for the lid lock of the compact organizer. Very similar to the installation for the full-size organizer. The kit comes with a lock for both sides of the handle to ensure that the lid doesn't twist or open and mix bins. Then there are two spacer blocks, which are a little bit different than the installation of the main organizer. And then there are the embedment blocks for the included screws. So the other things that you'll need are a drill with an 1/8 inch bit and a Robertson #2 screwdriver. Do not put these screws in with an impact. You will strip out the plastic and they will not hold properly. So what you'll start with is with your latches closed. Place the lock on the handle flush with the end and the sides to use that as a template to drill a hole in the handle. With that hole drilled, now you'll need to open the latch and fit in the spacer block. It will go in vertically and rest against the back to make up the space of that little rib there. Then with the rounded edge out, fit in your embedment block and then place your screw in, tighten that down. And since we've already done that on the other side, this lid lock is now fully functional.